everyone. I hope all are doing well. In my first haul video, I said I would experiment with the kiss nails and the bonding glue, and that's what we're going to do in this video today. I am going to read the application instructions on both the nails and the bonding glue. They're basically the same, except the glue gives you more instructions on how to prepare your nails for the glue. The application instructions on the nails state, apply glue to nail, apply glue to natural nail, press on. And it says not to wear the nails beyond 7 days. And both the glue and the nails state how to remove them. So I'll read off of the instructions for the glue. It says here, clean nails with acetone-based nail polish remover. For nail application, apply glue to nail, apply glue to natural nail. And both of them state, never force or pull nails off. Trim artificial nails and soak nails in acetone-based nail polish remover until soft. Wipe off softened plastic and glue and repeat as necessary. So the instructions are pretty straightforward. I'm going to begin by cleaning off the surface of my nails with the acetone as instructed. And it does state not to wear the nails beyond 7 days. Because I usually do not wear any type of artificial nails, I don't think I'm gonna make it to 7 days anyway. But if they're comfortable and they actually feel natural to me, then I will quite possibly keep them on. I like the color. It's a deep burgundy or plum. Now, from what I do see on the nails, each of the nails requires some trimming, so I'll grab my nail clip. So I'm just taking off this little extra piece that's at the base of the nail. And as I clip it off, it's very smooth. Now the packaging says that it has 12 nails. So I'm gonna count them, make sure we have 12. All right, I'm just arranging them. So I've already put the acetone on my nails, and now we'll remove the glue. Now this packaging says pink nail glue. I never looked at that until now, so that's telling me that there are other colors. I suppose with any deep nail color, the nail glue won't make a difference, the color of the nail glue. Okay. And again, according to the instructions, apply glue to the nail and apply glue to my natural nail. And I'll start with the thumb. These are my 2 extras. I'm gonna apply the glue to the nail and to my natural nail. I'll do it too. Okay, so I'm holding it down. Not bad. I like the length and everything. Okay, and I'll go ahead and apply the rest. The nails feel pretty strong. I'll give you an update in a future video as to their durability. Finally, I'm moisturizing my hands with Bolero's Cranberry and Sweet Orange Body Cream, purchased at Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.